Today I'm going to show you how to create this text effect on Photoshop. After writing your text, right click on it, go to Convert to Smart Object. Then right click on it again and go to Blending option. From there, go straight to your inner glow. I will tap on it. Then you change the blend mode to add light. The opacity to 35 and the size will be 7. Then for the color, double tap on this. Then this will be color code 7200FF 7200FF. Then click OK. Go to this. Then the input to 48 and output to 62. The input to 48 and output to 62. Then click OK. Then go to your outer glow. Tap on it. Then change the blend mode to linear dodge add. The opacity to be 18. And the color should be 9600FF. 9600FF. Copy the code. Paste it. Change the size to 35. Then click on this. Copy the settings. Copy the settings. When you're done, click OK. Then click OK. So copy this, Ctrl J to duplicate, then drag it down. Remove the outer glow. Delete it. Then right click on it. Go to Blending option. Go to Stroke. Tap on it. Then change the position to inside and size to be 1. When you are done, go to outer glow. Then change the size to 250. When you are done, click OK. Then right click on it. Go to Blending option. Go to Drop Shadow. Copy the settings. The blend mode to linear light. The angle to be 21. Distance to be 41. Spread should be 10. And size to be 43. When you are done with the settings, then click OK. And that's all. So with this we've achieved this thing. So you can go ahead and modify your work to what you like. And as you can see, that's all. You are done with that. You can go ahead and modify your work the way you like it. So So I've already prepared this one, and I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to click on Alt on my keyboard, then duplicate the effect on the text and on the rectangle. As you can see, we are done with it. This is how to create text effects using this is how to create this text effects using your Photoshop. Alright guys, that was all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this awesome tutorial. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also drop your comment at the comment section below. The resource file used for this tutorial will be at the description below. Kindly check it out. And to support me, kindly check out the affiliate link at the description below. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video, and bye for now.